Yes, people, they are arbitrary. As I can see, arbitrary courthouse right behind me. Supposed to be here this morning because we was told that Noel Maitland, the police in question, will be coming to court this morning. However, after we get here and gather, as I can see, the people them come out to support and a lot more gone, a lot more don't come. Feel as if this misinformation that we get, I don't think that this information is a coincidence. I think it's purposely. Probably them draw us out today to see what would have happened. But when them want to see what happen, make them come tomorrow. We are asking if they come out because we are gathered up here so tomorrow same way, 9 o'clock, right at the courtyard so. And don't bother get discouraged. Just come out because them are going to do everything for we get discouraged. Them are going to do everything for we get discouraged. But nobody watch that. Just know where we are come out for. We are come out for justice and we are come out for those Daniel Seminis. We are come out for every Jamaican we have faced injustice. We come out for every Jamaican we lose somebody. Everybody we have a missing person. Come on the platform here and make we shake up the GSCF so them start work. Go on. We the Jamaican have to step up. See? So no just come out now no tens and thousands. Even if you have somebody missing from 10 years ago. Come out, use the platform here. Use the Daniel as a platform, this platform. Use the Daniel as a platform. To make a difference and make a change. You see how George Floyd, that's his name? No man, the man with the other foreign man. Floyd. They saw how him death. Make a stand, take a stand, make the people them get up and wake up and realize say, hey, this could have been anyone away. But that's so one Jamaican to come out now and realize say, this could have been anyone away picnic. Could have been anyone away. We need Jamaican need to stand up. Either we stand for something or we go down for nothing. Where it go be?